Best Smoker Thermometer. If you are planning to organize a small barbecue party at your home or barbecue with your family and friends on a sunny Sunday, then it's better if you buy a barbecue smoker. We have compiled a list of the best 5 smoker thermometers, which are best rated available products in the market. So let's start by number 5. Dosy Ant BBQ Grill Wood Smoker Temperature Gauge Grill Thermometer. So let's talk about the main features of this product, which is reading of this device is extremely accurate, effortless installation of grill or oven. It's a highly reliable and durable device, and you can buy it at very reasonable price. It's environment friendly, and the surface of this grill thermometer is waterproof and will not get foggy. Number 4. Thermopro Wireless Remote Digital Kitchen Cooking Food Meat Thermometer. It features 3 colors to show different level of temperature. The strong design of the temperature ensures even distribution of heat, and the barbecue becomes a lot easier with pre-programmed temperatures. Then the inclusion of the timer prevents undercooking. The thermometer can be controlled by remote, which is a lot easier than the manual products. And you will get a lifetime warranty on sensor probe. Number 3. Thermopro TP07 Remote Wireless Digital Kitchen Cooking Food Meat Thermometer. This is a hassle-free setup of the device that doesn't need any synchronizing. Just pick up the device and use it. Not expensive at all. And this product is not expensive at all. Different colors in the smart LCD screen indicates different temperature levels, and its design, it's elegant and rugged. It has useful preset temperatures, and the sensor probe comes with the lifetime warranty. Number 2. Thermopro TP08 Wireless Remote Digital Kitchen Cooking Meat Thermometer. Reduces the chance of cooking or undercooking. This thermometer reduces the chance of cooking and undercooking. It has free-synced transmitter and receiver. Dual probe makes controlling the temperature a lot easier. The inclusion of an alarm and flash will help you in a number of ways. A broad range of temperature gives you the option of cooking at your desired temperature. The device can be controlled from 300 meters away as well. And the sensor probe comes with a lifetime warranty. So now let's come to number 1, which is Thermopro TP20 Wireless Remote Digital Cooking Food Meat Thermometer. With this, you can control the device even if you are 90 meters or 300 foot away. It consists of a stainless steel problem which can be used to obtain the right temperature. Its digital wireless technology saves you from arduous setup of the device. The thermometer is equipped with preset temperature.